So the other day I went out for pizza with my dog. We go out to this place called the Blind Onion. And I took a look at their menu and I noticed something that was a little strange. If you take a look at the sizes of the pizza, you have the pizzas come in different sizes. They come in a 16-inch, a 12-inch, and an 8-inch. Now, for instance, if we were to get a vegetarian pizza, the 16-inch pizza is $22.75. The 8-inch pizza is $8.50. Now, I don't know if this strikes anyone as strange, but 16 is twice more than 8. Therefore, shouldn't the vegetarian, if it was $8.50 at 8 inches, shouldn't it cost $17 at 16 inches? After all, 16 is twice as much as 8. I'm getting twice as much pizza, aren't I? Well, let's take a look at this mathematically. Pizza is measured in diameter. Now we know that the diameter of a pizza determines its area. Okay? The area is equal to pi times the radius squared. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to figure out the area of the 8-inch pizza. Now, remember that this is the diameter of the pizza, so we're going to have this to be the radius. So that means that the radius of the 16-inch is 8 inches, and the radius of the 8-inch is going to be 4 inches. Let's keep that in mind. Now, the area of an 8-inch, so the area of our 8-inch is going to be pi times 4 squared. So I'll figure that out on my calculator. That comes out to be 50.24 square inches of pizza. Now, we determined that the 16-inch pizza should have twice as much pizza, since 16 is twice as much as 8, but it costs $22.75. Well, wouldn't it be easier then to get 2 8-inch pizzas? So the area of a 16-inch pizza is pi times 8 squared. Let's see what this does to the area. 200.96 inches of pizza. Holy smoke! If I divide that by 50.24, what I end up getting is that 16-inch pizza is not twice as much pizza, but it is 4 times more pizza. How is that possible? Well, if you'll recall to the last thing we talked about when we're talking about ratios of area, perimeter, and sides, when you increase a side, you increase the area by the square. So if we're doubling the diameter of the pizza, we are going to be squaring and doubling the area. So a pizza that is twice as long will have 4 times more pizza. I think I'll get the large pizza. I don't know if I can eat it all, but it's going to be a better value.